The earliest known origins of plant-based diets can be traced back to prehistoric times, when early humans adopted a diet primarily consisting of wild plants and fruits, with minimal reliance on animal products. This dietary shift emerged as a response to the environmental and resource constraints of the time, including limited access to animal protein and the necessity to cover basic nutritional needs. The emergence of agriculture around 10,000 years ago significantly altered the landscape of human diets, with the widespread cultivation of crops leading to the establishment of agricultural societies. This period saw the rise of plant-based diets supported by the abundance of easily accessible plant foods and grains. Key developments in the history of plant-based diets include the dietary practices of ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and Greeks, who incorporated a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes into their diets. By the Middle Ages, European diets began to incorporate dairy products, leading to the emergence of lacto-vegetarianism, a subset of vegetarianism that excludes meat but includes dairy. The influence of religious beliefs, particularly in the form of strict vegetarian or vegan practices, played a significant role in the evolution of plant-based diets throughout history. The 19th and 20th centuries saw the emergence of alternative diets, including the raw food diet and the macrobiotic diet, which emphasized plant-based food choices. The rise of environmental consciousness in the 20th century further catalyzed the popularity of plant-based diets. Studies on the health benefits of a plant-based diet, such as the Adventist Health Study, have provided strong evidence for its advantages, including reduced risks of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. These studies have contributed to a growing body of research supporting the benefits of plant-based diets. Measurable impacts of plant-based diets on societies, economies, and industries are evident in the growth of plant-based food companies, the rise of vegan events, and the expansion of plant-based food options in restaurants. The global plant-based food market has experienced substantial growth, with projections suggesting it could reach $79.50 billion by 2025. Despite the benefits, plant-based diets have faced challenges, such as concerns over protein intake and the environmental impact of food production, though initiatives like regenerative agriculture aim to mitigate these issues. In the long term, the future of plant-based diets suggests continued innovation in food technology and sustainable agricultural practices, with projections indicating a shift toward more plant-based diets as a response to global health concerns and environmental issues. The integration of AI in food science could lead to the development of more nutritious and sustainable plant-based alternatives, further propelling the adoption of plant-based diets into the 2050s and beyond.